In recent time, a lot of people reach out to me on my WhatsApp complaining about when they had their MasterCard in funding of Alipay, they were unable to successful add their bank account. While some people had their bank card successful, but they were unable to top up in Alipay. Believe me, you are doing the wrong thing. And if you don't stop doing all this, your Alipay is going to be flagged. And once your Alipay is flagged, you may lose the account. And as a result, once you lose Alipay account, you lose an international passport that you use to verify the account unless you close the account. So if you are finding it difficult or you are trying to add your bank card, whether Visa card or MasterCard or American Express, into the Alipay account to top up your Alipay account, you need to watch this video and pay proper attention to what I'm going to explain in this video so that you don't get your Alipay account into trouble. Okay, so let's get started. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakob. I'm an importer and importation coach. If you want to contact me for importation business, you want me to procure your link on 1688, you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you too can be a successful procurement agent, feel free to contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see what are the things you need to take into consideration when you are funding your Alipay, and what are the things you don't need to do in order to protect your Alipay account. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is to head over to my Alipay account right here. So I'm going to click on here to head over to my Alipay account. So right here on my Alipay account, the mistake people usually make is that by the time they want to fund their Alipay account or they want to top up the wallet or what have you, what they used to do is that you click on here and it takes you to your profile, right? And it takes you to your profile, right? And when you get to your profile, now there is a section, different section on Alipay, in your Alipay profile. So the first section here has to do with transaction. This is where you see all your transaction detail, whether inflow or outflow of cash in your Alipay. While the second section here has to do with your current balance you have in your Alipay. And the third section here has to do with bank card. This is where people get it very wrong. Okay, so quite a lot of people made mistake from this bank card section. The mistake people used to make is that they believe so much that every bank card is accepted on this section, which is very wrong. Okay, so let's click on here, bank cards. All right, so under the bank card right here, what you have here is used by 800 million people, right? Okay, now you have what we call Visa card right here. You have MasterCard right here. You have Discover right here. You have Dinner Clubs, Dinner's Club, and you have Union Pay. Okay. Now, a lot of people in common, they have this card, Master and Visa card. I want to believe that at least 85% of people using Alipay, they have these two cards, right? While the rest of the people possess these three cards. Now, if you are in a category that fall this category, if you fall in this category of Visa and MasterCard, so believed of the everybody that have this card is that they need to click on add card. Now by the time you click on add card, then it takes you to an interface whereby you need to add your card detail right here. So you'll be asked to enter your card information, such as your card number, or better still, you'll be asked to scan your card detail and it will be captured. Failing to take note of information right here at the bottom right here. A lot of people don't pay attention to this, and these are the very important area when you are trying to fund your Alipay. It is important area. This simply is because it is only this bank card, Master or Visa, you can use to top up in your Alipay. If you don't have any of these bank card right here, no matter how the number of times you are adding your Visa card or MasterCard, even if you had it successful, the top up will not be successful. This is because your bank card is not recognized. So if your bank was not here, just forget about funding an Alipay with a bank card. So if you don't have your bank information right here, your bank was not listed right here, you can click on see more. So when you tap on see more, you are going to see more bank that can be used to top up in Alipay. So you can see them right here. So you have to take note and make sure all your bank was here. Like I said earlier, you can see there are a lot of banks right here that you can use their card, whether Master or Visa card, to top up your Alipay or to fund your Alipay. So just scroll down and you see there are Chinese bank card, Hong Kong bank card, and etc. that you can use to top up Alipay. So you can see, and you can scroll down. There are many banks right here that you can use their card. So for you to be on a safer side, you can click on search bank, type in your bank information right here, your bank name. You can just type it right here and click on search. If your bank is available right here, believe me, by the time you have the bank in whether it is a Visa bank card or MasterCard, by the time you have the card, it's going to be successful. Now, after your card has been added successful and your bank information was here, what you need to do is to go back into your home page, to your profile page. So when you get back to your profile page, you need to click on balance right here. Alright, so it's going to open up this page. So the next thing you want to do is to click on top up. When you click on top up, select the bank card that you have added into your Alipay and top up your fund. Once you top up your account, you're going to have the balance right here. So this is how you can this is the right way to add your bank card and how you can top up your Alipay if your bank is present in the supported Alipay bank card. You have to take note of that. But in another way around, if your bank was not in Alipay accepted, or Alipay does not accept or support your country bank card, you need to look for a third-party agent that can fund your Alipay. How do you get a third-party agent? You can get a third-party agent. You can contact them through the website, Instagram, or Facebook, or whatever you. How these people works? You give them your country currency, whether Naira, Pounds, Euro, and crypto. Then once you give them the currency, they will in turn credit your Alipay. That is how the third party work. So you have two options to top up your Alipay. Number one option is that you need to make sure that, number one, your bank is present and it's supported by Alipay. Number two, you have MasterCard or Visa card and you are doing it right way. So the third one here is if your bank was not supported in Alipay, you have to look for a third-party agent that will top up your Alipay account. So this is what I have for you, and if you follow the step in this video, you are going to be fine, and your Alipay account is going to be safe and be protected from being flagged or being banned as a result of doing something wrong. So this is very much important. If you have been doing it in the wrong way, please pay attention to this video if you really love your Alipay account. This is what I have for you guys today as far as avoiding this mistake and do the right thing on Alipay in the process of topping up your Alipay account. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to click on the subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so each time I post content about Alipay topic, you'll be notified. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, you want me to procure your link on 1688 Taobao or on Pinduoduo, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, feel free to contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.